Boom! Right here, we have the SpaceAid 4-pack sheet organizer. This thing is easy to use. Right here, these are instructions. Boom, boom. All right, it's open. There we go. This one's a 4-pack. You got some labels here, and you got the how to use. This is very important to see how to use it. You unfold the cube. Then you fold your sheets, and then you put your sheets in the center. Then you fold the sides of the boxes, and then you close it up with a zipper. Sweet. And then step 5, fold the 2 smaller boxes and close the Velcro. Then you can store it away. Super easy, and you have the card so you can label what sheet it was. Pretty sweet. I like it. So this is a 4-pack, so you get 4 of them. For simplicity, let's just look at one of them. So here's the first one. Open this up. You put your sheets inside right here in the center. Then you fold the side here, and then you fold this other side over here. Then you can zip it up. Zip this up, boom. And now your sheets are inside right here. See how easy it is to pack your sheets away? Then you have this closure flap on top with the Velcro. Then you have this closure flap over here with the Velcro too. And that is it. You got your sheets inside. You got a little window so you can see your sheets, what you got inside. And then you have a place for your label. You can use the labels and then put it right here. So that is the SpaceAid bed sheet organizer right here. Pretty easy and efficient use. Oh yeah.